Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup card sites with backups before major edits. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your card account. Navigate to the site you wish to backup. Click on the site to open it in the editor. Once in the editor, locate the settings option in the sidebar. Click on the settings option to open the settings menu. Scroll down to find the backup section. In the Backup section, click on Create Backup. A confirmation prompt may appear. Confirm the action to proceed. This will generate a backup of your current site settings and content. Wait for the backup process to complete. You'll receive a notification once the backup is successful. To download the backup, click on the Download button. Choose a secure location on your computer to save the backup file. Remember to label the backup file for easy reference. Now you're ready to make major edits to your card site with peace of mind. If needed, repeat these steps for each site you want to backup. Once the edits are complete, you can restore the backup if necessary. To restore, go back to the Backup section and select Import Backup. Choose the file you downloaded to restore your site to its previous state. This process ensures that you won't lose any important content during editing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.